All right, so we're here in Lid World. We're doing this factory tour. Can you explain us a little bit of the process of how the lid goes from a mold to a finished product?
Yep. Behind us right over here is a big paint booth, and in there, early in the mornings and overnight, our team brings it in. They gel coat the parts. They get all the parts ready. Then they get delivered here where Joe and his team is putting all the fiberglass, putting the two parts together, putting X amount of resin in each lid and building the lid. Then when they come out of the mold, then they go into what we call our patch and detail department. They'll trim the edges, they'll finish up, and they'll hand finish all the edges, add the hardware, do that. Then they get over to our assembly shop where the lid team in assembly will actually install the lids on each and every one of the boats. On the back of all our lids, there's one little sticker. That one sticker is the port where everything comes and goes. It's the only unfinished part. So all these lids, you see the hole here, there's ultimately a port where all the resin is sucked in whenever these things come together. And that'll be the one unfinished part. And that's why on the inside of our lids, there's little stickers all around, and that covers up the one unfinished part of the lid. As we come by, we saw lids earlier today, building the lids. Now they're starting to get hand finished back here in P&D. A couple of things is, remember that port where Joe did it? Here's the sticker that's on there. That's the one unfinished part of all of our lids, and they all have a sticker on them. Also notice how this side is thicker than the rest of the side. This was reinforced because this is where they will install the hardware when they get over there, where the hinge will go. So everywhere there's a screw, a hinge, look how it's reinforced compared to other places around the boat. Here's an interesting fact I'll tell you. When people are buying regulators, they tend to be buying their 7th boat, all right? And this is why, because they have spent many years learning the hard way about how things come apart. They have sooner or later, if they boated, they got put into a bad situation with the weather or with something or another, and they got put in a bad situation. Then they really learn to appreciate the strength and why everything is reinforced throughout the whole boat everywhere, and they value the safety of the boat, what it'll be them after they've been through that tough scenario in a lightweight boat that tossed them around or something that ripped off and fell apart in the middle of where they were going and caused them a major problem. Then you can determine for yourself, is this worth value for you and your family? The fact that this lid right here, which is your fish box lid, will not rattle, will not shake, will not vibrate. Even if you do slam it back and forth a few times, you're reinforced here on the hinge of what you have, and it's going to stay together. So Lee, you've been doing service, traveling around, you've been working on regulators for the past 6 years. You've put your hands on hundreds of boats now, from Maryland all the way down to North Carolina, and 100 lids. What do you think about our lids? What do you see from customers when you talk to them?
Well, I always tell people, I think the quality of a boat is in the lids, because a lot of boat manufacturers, you look and they build a boat and they cut out a 12 by 24 hole and put a plastic lid in that needs to be replaced. And for me, the access is what I love, and being able to have these huge lids to get down in the bilge and work on the boats and service the boats means everything. Also, they're large, they're heavy, they're going to stand up to the test of time.